that smells better than pizza. Maybe not real pizza, but that smells pretty damn good. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another one. So I dove in a little too deep. I dove in a little too fast. I get anxious about stuff. I just dive into stuff sometimes without really, you know, maybe understanding on the level that I should. I get ahead of myself, right? And that's kind of the case. Motherfucker, get off my bag. God damn, sorry. That's kind of the case with this whole ceramic coat thing that I'm going through right now. So if you watched I guess it was 2 videos ago, I ordered all the stuff to ceramic coat my car. And I wanted to make a series basically about if you could do it, buying the product on your own, you know, and doing it by yourself with minimal to no paint work experience, but you're still, you know, handy enough to do basic things, you know, work-wise, project-wise. So Adams was having a sale, and that's really why I jumped the gun. I knew I wanted to do it, but I wasn't planning on doing it now. I talked myself into like, well, if I'm gonna do it in the future, I might as well do it now, right? So that happens to me a lot. One thing I just forgot, I knew I needed to do this, but it skipped my mind. And one thing I just totally misjudged and was wrong about. The thing I forgot is touch-up paint. I know that ceramic coats are permanent, and I know the paint needs to be perfect before you do it, and that includes rock chips, you know, stuff like that. And I do have like one on my roof and one on my hood that I want to get rid of before I do this. But I kind of bought all this stuff, set a date, and it just, like I said, it just skipped my mind. And the weekend's coming up for me to do this, and it hits me. I'm like, wait, I need to do touch-up paint. So then I'm like, I kind of panic because I'm like, I don't know where to get that, what to do. I don't know where to get this color to match my car, all that. So a quick Google search will tell you that you can just buy some touch-up paint from, like, I forgot, CJ Pony Parts, I think, has like the codes for each color. So you can get it to like 20, 30 bucks. But I wasn't gonna get it in time. Even if I ordered it right when I remembered, it was like on a Wednesday. I wasn't gonna get it in time for the weekend. So I can't, this isn't something I wanna rush. I wanna do it right, you know, from start to finish. I want to do it 100% correctly, and you know, excuse me, I need to touch up the paint. I just didn't think about it. The problem is, you know, there's that weekend, and then there's last weekend was, so that was supposed to be 2 weekends ago. This was already supposed to be done for 2 weeks, and then Super Bowl weekend, and then my cousin's coming to town next weekend. Tomorrow, this weekend, I have a show to go to, so it's gonna be like 2 more weeks before I even get a free weekend to do this. I should have taken more time to think about it. We're headed to Walmart to see about fixing the second problem. This one I feel pretty stupid about. So many of the comments actually kind of made me aware of this, and I thought we could do it this way. Turns out you can't. I feel pretty stupid about the whole thing. I don't know. Alright, so the second thing that I totally misjudged and was completely wrong about was the polishing part. I had 2 trains of thought here. One, my car is pretty new, so the paint's not that bad, so I don't need like a full, crazy, deep like cut, like a crazy polish or anything like that. I just thought I needed like something to take like the top little layer off, and I thought it'd be fine. So that's my first reason, is because I didn't think I need anything more. My second was because I have zero experience with a like machine polish, none. That's the one thing that I don't know how to do in this whole process. So I posted it. I had a guy comment, was like, the hand polish is a no-go. That's just not gonna work. And then found out myself, yeah, that's probably not gonna work. Let me show you where I'm at. I'm at Walmart right now because I'm pivoting my plan from hand polish. I'm gonna machine polish. I'm not backing off. I'm not doing this. And I'm also not getting someone else to do it. I'm doing this all myself. So, but machines can be expensive. So quickly, my plan or my train of thought here is to get a machine polish from either here or Amazon, something I can return, and something that's not super duper powerful, something that won't burn my paint, because there are machines that aren't even powerful enough to burn your paint. So I'm gonna look and see what Walmart has. We're gonna go in there and see what they have, and if they don't have anything, I'm gonna get off Amazon. So I need to get the rock chip, and I need to use a machine polish for this to actually work correctly. Let's go inside Walmart. Let's see what they have. They might not even have any. Look at this. This is why I hate parking next to motherfuckers. I mean, Jesus. That's a big ass rock chip in my door. That sucks. I'm taking such good care of this car. And some dipshit can't hold on to his damn door. I mean, that irks me. And it's like, ugh. So that's the other thing I need that fill-in paint for, is for stuff like that. I'm gonna have, like I said, one on the roof, one on the bumper, but that pisses me off. That's why I don't park next to people. I just don't. I'd rather walk. Definitely in the wrong section. I'm over here like detailing, and there's that. It looks extremely cheap. 120 volt random orbital, 6-inch. I don't think that's dual action is the problem. This is what we need. 120 variable speed. I wonder if this will work, or if it completely sucks. It's got a handle. I mean, it looks totally cheap, but $50. I plan on returning it, which I just think is fucking returned already. Jesus Christ. Oops. That's gonna be our best bet, it looks like. $50. I'm gonna do some research. I'm not buying now. I'm gonna compare some stuff on Amazon. I'm not in a hurry to do this. Obviously I want to get it done out of excitement, but like, I want to do it right, like I said, so. Okay, that looks like what we came for. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up. Short and sweet for today. I really just wanted to do one main thing, and that's just update. I said I was gonna be doing the ceramic coat on this weekend. It just didn't happen. For no other fault than mine. And I don't know, I was a little underprepared. It's still gonna happen. I'm still gonna do it. I'm still gonna do it the way I originally planned on doing it, just besides the polishing part. So I need to do a little bit of research on what I just looked at, and do so, kind of compare some stuff on Amazon, and just, I don't know. Excuse me, see what the best option is. So that's doing it. If you made it this far, I do appreciate it. Hit subscribe, help me get to 1,000, man. I hope you have the best day ever, and I'll see y'all next time.